Okay, it's Fat Meatball here, and I'm not Fat Meatball. I'm Anakin. He's Fat Meatball. He's got his coconuts on, which are not coconuts. They are headphones. And you cannot see anything until we light the fireworks. Let's go.
Like me, if you can see me.
Actually, you can see him.
Yay!
Yeah, you can see him sort of. It's really dark out. I mean, we can see because of that light. And that light, if I can find it. Oh, there it is.
But you know, it is the 4th of July.
I mean, who won't blow up something? Whoa! Something's happening! Yeah!
Whatever you do not put off on that.
I fizzled out.
Is he gonna? Is your dad gonna hit on the fire?
Oh, you know what happens if you put off on it? Huh? Oh, you know what happens if you put off on it?
No, is he gonna hit on it? Hit on? Like, you don't. Anyway, these aren't really, these aren't fireworks yet. These are just light sticks. Oh, wait, no, those are
morning glory.
Whatever, light sticks. I'm gonna call them light sticks because I feel like it.
That's what they call them, morning glory.
Fire sticks.
They're light sticks.
Fire stuff!
Yes. Yeah, we forgot to record.
I'm so sorry you didn't see my break dance when I said that.
Yeah, it was lighter out too, earlier, so you would have seen everything. And their light sticks are out. Okay, I'm going to face the camera towards.
Oh, look, another one.
The blue, the blow up. Oh,
The blow up.
the blow up.
Hard to
Yes.
see now.
Okay, it's gonna blow. Actually, no, it's not gonna blow. It's actually one of those sticks that doesn't blow up.
They got another candle.
I can't find it. Can't see it. Oh, there it is.
You're doing the wrong one.
There it is. Yeah. Woo! It's happening.
It's so laggy.
Yeah, nothing happens.
I mean,
really.
it fizzles out
the balloon again?
before it fizzles out on the camera.
Yeah. No one. Okay. Just so you know, I can't lighten it up, so sorry. Even if I could, I wouldn't because I'm mean like that. No, I'm joking.
What?
It's weird.
Anyway, so
What did you even say? I couldn't hear you.
It's always
because
on
of
the 4th of July.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, so
Japanese antics.
let's see.
Is that what they call
I'm
them?
trying to think.
Nicole said she was gonna do one
Anyway,
for her cousin.
let's see.
Also, if you see me on Minecraft, make sure I am a red
Oh, look, you
slime
can see the
in a
dipper.
Klub Ice
Yeah.
Can you see
uniform.
If you know what that is, because I mean, if you haven't seen Skydoesminecraft, do one of those.
I'll leave a link in the video for
Yes.
in the description. I'll leave a link for the video.
Oh, he's lighting one. Don't know where it is, but it's somewhere. That's where it is.
Now that I know what that is. Yeah, we got to find the fireworks.
That's Tetra talking, and that's his mom. Oh, here it is. Found it. It will light up. Let's go. Come on. Yeah.
Ah! Don't let Durkle near the light switch. My eyes.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't look directly at it. It's kind of
Right. You can get it through the camera.
yeah. It's actually better through the camera. Yay! Okay. So, I can zoom in.
Yes, you can.
But I'm gonna zoom
Zoom out now. Don't do the death one yet.
Yeah. So we're saving the death one for last. That's when we will light the death one. Dun dun dun!
Those are the sort of lame little battle rockets.
Oh.
Can we do some more of those?
Yeah. The ones they might do is the ones that they explode. I guess they explode on the
Now, if you
They
can
explode
see
on
me,
the ground, I
If you can see me, where do you think the name Firecracker originated from? We got it right here. Crackers.
Sorry, they can't see this, but they can see that.
Well,
Not anymore because I'm.
if you see, turn the camera to me. If you see a square on my face, that's the crackers.
Found it.
And when I say crackers, no,
There it is.
I don't mean
Crackers.
like
He means
eat.
firecrackers. Like one of those firecracker things.
Stay away from those irons. You never know which way they're gonna go.
Dang it! I couldn't find it. Cause it's so dark and they land in the grass, so you can't see them. I smell fart.
Okay,
Like,
this is
did
what
you
happens
fart?
every time you eat crackers.
Yeah. Every time you eat crackers, warning. This is what happens when you eat crackers and then fart. Stop
Yeah.
picture. Yeah. You think?
It hurt my ears more than the big ones.
I'm holding a bunch of bottle rockets.
You can't see it now. I
I
can't
know.
see it. Oh god. Here you go. Okay.
Holding a bunch of bottle rockets if you
Yeah.
see a shape on my face.
Can't find your face. Can't find your face. Can't find your face. Nope. Can't find your face. Wait. Oh, I have a good idea. Where's the? I was gonna say I had a bad idea. Yeah, we could. Of course. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Okay. So, yeah.
Now we can
Don't flash
see.
into one size. But Okay. Yeah. Put the. Yeah.
Oh, I can see some of them shooting off over there. These are the
Yeah.
bottle rockets.
Those are the bottle rockets bud he's talking about. Anyway. Yeah. You can see. You can't see them. Move them like. Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Those are the bottle
Those
rockets
things,
I'm talking
and
about.
then they got like a long stick at the end. Wait. He's lighting something. He's lighting something. Gotta see it. I think this is the light one. I didn't lose any of it. I just added Actually, shine a light toward the grass. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, sweet. You can see the grass. Yeah.
No.
So. Wow, we're going on 7 minutes. That's pretty long for a firework.
There's another lantern over the trees.
Oh yeah, there's a lantern up there. Wait, can I find it? I found it. I think so. Yeah. Looks like it's gonna
Honestly, those fireworks should be illegal.
be. Yeah.
Dark 5, if you're watching this, put that in your video.
Okay. Found it.
Yeah, if you're watching this, Dark 5, just post 5 fireworks that should be illegal.
Yeah, yeah. What he said. I mean what she said, whatever. What if he actually does it? What if he actually does it?
What?
What if Dark 5 actually does it?
What? Oh, Dark 5 actually
Yeah.
does the video.
Yeah, what if he does?
Dad. Okay, we need a colorful fountain.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Open
no.
to 8 minutes and 25 seconds in the future.
Choose favorite ones.
Open
The
to 8
future?
minutes and about 35 minutes in the future.
Almost, yeah.
And now.
Don't make that thing so long it won't blow up.
Okay. Oh, I found the fire. There's the fire. He's lighting it. He's lighting it. He's lighting it.
My shadow is the Wild Wheel logo.
It's lit. It looks like the ground's on fire, sort of.
Yeah, it
It's so small. I'm gonna put them down there because I know it's gonna be annoying, but it'll help because if they fly up, if there's any fireworks that fly up, then then they fly up and you can see them. And I don't have to move the camera because that's annoying. Yeah. Light. That's his dad moving up to the fireworks.
This is
So
what this is what our walkway looks like
Oh, sorry.
near the porch.
Yes. Oh crap! I gotta.
Did you just put off on that?
Okay, something different.
Okay, I dare you.
Is that done? I mean, are we almost done? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we're almost done.
No, don't do those.
Okay. Up to 10 minutes. Yeah.
Up to 10 minutes. Hey, those three stars are connected.
My shadow looks
Really
like
good.
a Robotics logo.
That's the Dipper. And there's another lantern.
I don't know where it is.
Oh, over there,
stars.
Anakin,
Those
right
are
there.
stars.
No, the lantern. The
Anakin
right there. Logo.
What? Oh, sorry.
Oh.
That went somewhere. Don't know where it went, but it went somewhere.
My hands protecting my braids and my And another lantern. I wonder where they're getting sent off.
Oh, that one hit the sky actually.
I have an idea.
Is this the death mushroom?
But they're getting
The
set
death
off
muffin.
from somewhere. There's one.
Is Mario addicted to shrooms?
Hang on.
Yes, big one.
Don't light it yet. Don't light it yet.
There are. They have
No, not yet.
glasses.
Not yet. Not yet. Go to the Porsche. Don't light it yet.
That's a little one. Fizzies.
I don't know.
That was a what? That was a bottle rocket. No,
That's a fizzle.
That was a fizzle. Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
big
okay.
Ready?
one. The big one. The big one.
That is the death muffin. That's what
Okay.
it looks like.
That's the
looks
death
like a muffin.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Well,
He's funny.
This is what it is. It is the death muffin.
yes, cause
It is a muffin that explodes.
yes,
Load it.
cause it explodes and it's pretty big. It's the biggest explosion of the night.
Now,
See
if
that?
you were
Doesn't it
wondering,
look like the death muffin?
I dare you to read the
Funny.
warning. Look what it says.
It says,
Warning: shoots flaming balls.
yeah. Okay, now let's see. Let's light this baby up.
Come on, we need.
I can't believe I just did
Now
that.
you will totally see it.
Yeah, you will. That's if I can get my camera up to it.
There's one there and one over
Death
there.
muffin.
And one up there. Look, there's one over the house.
Look, they make a lot. They make a circle. Find the fire. Yeah, you found it. Cha-ching.
Yeah!
You got it, dude.
The death muffin.
Yeah, you saw that. That was only the muffin. That was the muffin of
That was
death.
the death muffin.
And I think that's it. I think that's it.
Over the house.
Dad, is that it? Dad, is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So